Hey talkers! Teacher Mari here.
Diane Auten.
E hoje a gente vai estar fazendo então para vocês cookies, uma receita especial da família da Diane, que é a nossa intercambista da Califórnia que está ficando aqui com a gente há um tempo. Ok? Let's go! Só pra gente lembrar, então, como a Diane é americana e ela não fala português, daqui em diante, praticamente todo vídeo vai ser em English, ok?
Hi everybody, we're going to make American chocolate chip cookies today. So we have a bowl and a spatula, and we're going to start first with 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of white sugar. So that's going to go into the bowl. Okay. Then we have 1 cup of butter that's melted.
Or just softened.
Softened, melted, either. Yeah, ideally softened, but it's okay. This makes the cookies have to come together a little bit. Okay, so here we are going to mix this together. This is our step 1. So all 3 of those things go into the mixer.
Okay, good.
Okay, so now we're going to add 2 eggs. I just put them right in there. No shells. And we do 1 teaspoon of vanilla, or actually 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Vanilla is what makes the cookies delicious, in my opinion.
I disagree.
Really?
It's the chocolate, yes.
Vanilla and brown sugar. I call those the magic ingredient. The other magic ingredient is love.
Love, I agree.
Okay, now we mix that.
Okay.
I'm just going to use 1 so I can use 1 tonight.
Okay.
So let's put that in there. And then
How much flour?
2 cups of white flour.
Mhm.
My host mom is gluten intolerant, so you can also use gluten-free flour if you need to. It's okay. Okay, and then we do
A little salt.
about a teaspoon of salt. And baking powder, so these make the cookies rise. And maybe do just a little more. And
How much do you need of
I
this?
need a teaspoon.
A teaspoon.
So
Okay.
maybe about that much. We're kind of eyeballing it. That's the
Yes.
word we use, eyeballing it. It's good if you mix it, it's good if you don't. All is good. So this is about a cup, I think.
Yeah, you can even
roughly.
have this one extra.
So
yum.
we just mix. So when you taste it, you're tasting to see if it's salty enough, if the texture is what you like, if you need to add more flour, especially because we are just eyeballing it. It's an idiom, we're eyeballing it. So we want to make sure it's how we want it. And these are perfect.
I love it.
Okay, are
Okay.
we ready?
Yes, then
It's thicker when you cook them and they're cold. They
I'll
don't
make-
melt. They don't
you
melt
make
as
them.
much. So we're gonna do
this. Or
about like that.
okay. How long do we bake them for?
I usually put them in for about 6 minutes
6.
and then I check them.
Okay. Good.
Because every oven is different.
Yeah. Of
Your
course.
oven at home might cook really fast or it might take longer. So we put it in for 5 or 6 and then look at it.
Ok. O forno tá pré-aquecido a 180, 190 graus já. Yes.
Yes.
It's pretty.
Maybe put them right
Ooh, I love how they look.
here. Okay. Let's
Okay.
see.
So it was 7 minutes, right?
7 minutes. Is that what it
Yes.
took? More metal is gonna work better.
Okay.
This is my secret right there.
And
Instead
then
of
you
flat,
let them cool down
we
like that.
Yes, I like a big fat soft cookie. So when they get messed up like that, it's okay, because you're just going to
No
mush it all
problem.
together.
Ok. Improvisando com o cortador de pizza. I love that. Wow, that's... I'm gonna put these ones in, okay?
Yes.
Great.
So maybe set it for 6 again. Yes.
So we're going around the school and the girls will taste it, try
Okay.
it, and let's see what they talk about your cookie.
Let's see.
Yay, let's go. Yay, let's see. Hey, Gabby. Would you like some cookies? Of course. Go.
I always want
We have
cookies.
smaller pieces.
I don't like smaller
No,
pieces.
or a
a
whole
whole
one.
I want a whole one.
Oh my god! Okay.
I think that's good.
How good is that?
1 to 5?
Ah, 1 to 10, come on.
1 to 10? Maybe a 10.
A 10. Very good. Yay.
I like it.
Okay, go instead.
Hi.
Hi.
Let's see. Oh my god. It's delicious.
It looks
Very
good, right?
Thank you.
Good.
It's really good.
Yes.
I want that recipe.
Watch the video on
Okay.
YouTube. Perfect.
There's a full cookie or a little piece of the cookie.
A little piece of cookie.
Okay. They're still warm.
Very good. Oh my god. Very, very good.
Thank you. Would you like to try one?
Amazing.
Would you like to try one?
Sure. I'm anxious for it.
Would you like to try the cookie?
Anxious for that. Thank you, my God.
You're welcome.
Wonderful.
Se vocês gostaram do vídeo, não se esqueçam de se inscrever no canal da Talkers, ativar o sininho, deixar o like no vídeo. E a gente tá pra receber uma intercambista da Itália. Então nos conta que receita a gente deveria fazer com ela, ok? Bye!
Bye.